Could be another one coming up here. The wrong option taken by De Bruyne. Oh, David Silva run. Jesus stood. De Bruyne tried to just slide that ball back to. It was really well read by Zach, who cut it out. Manchester City look to press again. Some joy already. Martinez, spare man. And, just got out with a bit more. Lacazette took it well. Here's Bayeri. Arsenal forward in some numbers this time. In by Pepe. And this time it's a chance that is taken by Aubameyang at the back post. He just prodded it in. And he can forget the earlier miss now. Arteta's team are ahead against Guardiola's men.